Has then postponed the case to give Cheryl a chance to go and prepare for her exams. But as soon as people left the courtroom, there were clashes outside. Take us through what actually happened outside court following the postponement, Sandy.
As you can imagine, Voya, the emotions of today have been running very high, and there were two groups of supporters today. There were Omatoso congregants who were outside supporting the pastor, and then there was the Total Shutdown movement who had asked residents to come out in their numbers to support Cheryl Zondi today. So there was the two groups. Once he postponed the case, Attorney Doberman was making his way outside of court, and he was walking down to his car. While he was walking down, some of the Total Shutdown supporters and the Cheryl Zondi supporters saw him walking, and they attacked him. Someone threw a bottle of water at him. They were yelling at him, saying, "You rubbish! You're supporting a rapist. You're defending a rapist. Do you have daughters? How can you live with yourself? We know where you live. Drop this case." So the people were very angry. The police saw what was happening. They had to come out and surround him. They had to walk him to his car. They had to remove the supporters off his car so that he could get into the car and make his way off. Then when Omatoso's wife wanted to come out in her car, the same thing happened. Her car was surrounded. People were yelling. They were very angry. They didn't want to allow her to come out of the parking area. Once she was escorted out by the police, then there was a huge clash between the Omatoso supporters and Cheryl Zondi supporters, to the point where the police had to form a barrier between the Omatoso supporters and the Cheryl Zondi supporters to try and keep the two groups separated. There was also the Cheryl Zondi supporters were then finding different Omatoso supporters who had driven here to support him in court. They weren't allowing their cars out. The police were having to escort many people out today. So there was quite a lot of chaos outside of the court today, Boyo.